Hey guys, Rob with Next Gen Writer here. So something kind of cropped up. I've been in a couple of groups where the question came up is why isn't there a full Android writing system available that gives you standalone capability, GPS navigation with the apps that we all know and love, OSM and or Google Maps or DMD2, along with cameras and TPS and all this other cool stuff that we see in the Android Auto CarPlay writing systems. So there's a lot of reasons for that, and I was going to kind of prepare to start to do a deep dive and kind of show you some Android systems that I have. So I have a Sunway Shenzhen Sunway device, and I got a Navifly A600, and I also have this Ricoel C7. So I was getting them set up. I was loading DMD2 on them, downloading maps, CPU-Z, so I can show you the performance specs. So I can do this kind of deep dive on how these Chinese full Android systems are really kind of flawed. And then today I had something pretty freaking interesting happen. So we're going to turn the camera around. We're going to take a close look at the Ricoel C7. And I'm going to show you something that I found on this device that just kind of blows my mind a little bit. So let's turn the camera around and take a look. Okay, so here we go. We have the Ricoel C7 on the bench, powered up. So what happened is I was prepping this thing, so I wanted to demo this with CPU-Z to kind of show you the hardware. It's an app you can load up, and it's going to show you everything about the processor, the memory, so you can really kind of quantify what kind of hardware you're getting in an Android device. And so the ad popped up. It's got paid advertisements or advertisements in the app, and it had a close button up here. And this screen doesn't perform that well. I mean, it is what it is. So you would not be able to get touches up here for it to react. So I'd be pushed into it a few times trying to close this ad, and it reset the device and did an erase. And then so I said, okay, that's kind of weird. And then I recovered the device, and then I think I was over here. I was in Play Store, and when you're logged into Play Store, your profile will be up here. I was trying to get in to manage my account, and again, the screen wasn't performing, wasn't working, so I was tapping, and it frickin' happened again. But really, it has nothing to do with the app navigation that's there. We can go pretty much anywhere. I'll just do it right here. And you come up to this area of the screen and you tap about, I don't know, 5 times. And there you go. You get your inadvertent factory reset. It's just the nuttiest thing that I've ever seen. There we go. It's going to erase. It's going to dump all your apps, all your Wi-Fi configuration, Google account. Everything's gone. It does keep your splash screen in there for some reason, but it just absolutely dumps everything, and it's super repeatable. I don't know, so evidently we get the blessing of a hidden factory reset in like the worst place possible. Unbelievable. I'll just we'll go. Where do I want to go? Let's go in the cams. Now, I don't have any hooked up, but let's just go up here. Actually, the navigation's working there. Oh, there it goes. So I don't know. I don't know if that's by design, stupidly by design, or if it's something inadvertent. But if you're buying Ricoel C7 devices, be aware. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully you found it as funny as I did.